It smells gorgeous. Oh, this is tasting really good.
Escape the office Christmas market with homemade mulled wine. Ditch the awkward office Christmas market experience with your co-workers.
If you are going to have intercourse tonight, please do not do it on company property.
And those so-so mulled wines. You didn't want to go there, and your co-workers don't want to be there either. We're about to elevate a simple bottle of red into a winter elixir. I'm here to guide you through transforming your average red wine into a sensational mulled wine, right in the comfort of your own kitchen. Curious about what takes mulled wine from mundane to magnificent? Hang around and I'll unveil the secret. Our lineup includes an ordinary orange, about to have its Cinderella moment, 3/4 of a cup of water, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and our aromatic quartet, 10 whole cloves, 2 star anise, 2 cinnamon sticks, real cinnamon sticks, and if you're feeling adventurous, half or a whole vanilla bean pod. We start with a zesty twist at the top from the orange. Next, simmer water and sugar into a sweet base. Introduce the spices to the mix and watch the alchemy happen. Now, for the transformation. A 750ml bottle of your chosen Merlot or Cabernet Sauvignon. Let it simmer gently for 10 minutes, infusing the spices magic. And for that extra flair, a shot of hazelnut or almond liqueur. I've included an affiliate link to Disaronno Amaretto below. It's fantastic. Costs you nothing if you click on it and buy through it, but it helps me run the channel. Ingredients cost money, all that kind of crack. Please comment below if you have an alternative recommendation. This is where we turn good into extraordinary. After enjoying this mulled wine, you'll sleep like a baby, and I don't mean shitting your pants and waking up every 2 hours screaming your head off. Stay tuned for our next episode where we'll tackle another winter favourite. Maybe something. Yeah, I have a few of these. And there you have it, a mulled wine recipe that'll make you forget about those chilly office co-worker gatherings. Remember, the best Christmas party is the one.
That is absolutely gorgeous.
Cheers. Good night, and may your God go with you.
Let's see what the unsocial assholes say.
What are you talking about, Hal?
This conversation can serve no purpose anymore. Goodbye.